sometimes those yang interview tu normally 3 and above lah. Okay, my question is, why do we have panel of interview 3 or above? Anybody want to try? Yeah.
Wilfred lagi. So
Wilfred.
I think 3 dia boleh, first dia boleh avoid seri lah. So 3 kan, number tu 3. And then second dia boleh avoid bias juga lah, I think. Sebab one of the another mungkin ada dia keen atau tidak keen, and then the third person might be the deal kingmaker lah, deal breaker macam tu.
Yeah, okay, very good, Wilfred. Okay, so. tapi kan Wilfred, itu kalau position tu ada 1 atau 2. In the case macam in a case in kenaikan pangkat ni kan, dia tidak based on numbers of position. Everyone can promoted as long as with the criteria qualify. So Wilfred punya jawapan tu kalau ada certain position, which is good, ya? Betul.
Sorry, Doctor. My point is check and balance. Dengar ke?
Check and balance. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Check and balance. 3 orang ni sebab begini, ya. Kadang-kadang dalam kami, katalah saya 3 orang, ada kawan saya 2 orang lain lagi interview. There will be a point in which saya punya pikiran melayang. Okay, saya punya pikiran melayang. Dan pada bila pikiran saya melayang, yang 2 orang lagi tadi itu tidak melayang. Okay, yang 2 orang tadi fokus dengar betul-betul. So what happen is when we gather the points to be given, saya boleh declare kepada kawan saya yang 2 orang tu, oh, for this particular guys, actually I'm lost in 5 or 1 minute or 2 minutes. So what is your opinion? Dia macam tu. Lebih kurang apa yang Wilfred mention, lebih kurang sama dengan Azima tadi, check and balance lah. Cuma if I put it in a context, 3 orang ni dia mesti ada, sebab bayangkan dia duduk 1 jam, 2 jam, 3 jam interview orang. Dia mesti ada lapse. Ya, lapse. So that's why we need people more than 2 lah. 3 itu maksudnya 3 bagus. Kalau 2, 1 lapse, 1 susah discuss. Kalau 3, 1 lapse, 2 still can discuss. You see, that is the point. I get these ideas after I doing some interviews with my colleagues lah, as well as I'm reading from literature review as well, and research and reports in human resource management. Normally, why people have more than 2, I say 3, because of lapse issues. When we gather the decision to be made, one or might declare, okay, for this candidate, sorry, tadi saya agak tak fokus. So what are your opinion? Dia tanya yang 2 orang lain lagi tu. Yeah, so that is the ideas why sometimes we have more than 2, which is 3, the minimum number lah, for administering the interviewing process. And also I need to state here is that it is based on the level of position. If the position is lower level, then sometimes the applicants to enter the room many. For example, what I'm saying many is, for example, 3 to 5 people. And when you have more than 3, 5 people, you need a group of interviewer as well. Sebab when you do the verdict, bila you buat keputusan tu, untuk menentukan 5 orang ni, dia kena ada ramai juga yang mendengar. So bila kita buat keputusan, kita discuss semula, out of those 5, who actually the best one, for example. So you have group of people to justify the selection.